No, hold on, listen. Young. We got young. No, listen. We got scorpion and crab, right? Scorpion and crab. Hold on, let me check my camera. Scorpion crab. Crab slams. Oh shit! Alright, let's go. Oh wait, my song's still playing. I got you. Oh shit, yo. Oh, no. Yeah, you right, I ain't gonna lie. I think crab got this. I deadass think crab got this. Oh shit. Hold on, scorpion playing. Oh shit. Yo, what's that? Oh, they're underwater. No wonder. I was like, how's it floating? Yo, hold on. Scorpion playing mad, like, tactical. We playing tactical. Now listen. Y'all don't get it. He's playing mad tactical. He's going around him and shit. Playing all tactical, bro. Exactly. 50 move, bro. He's going crazy right now. Yo, the crab got him. He's grabbing him and shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Trying to fight him off. He's trying to fight him off. Oh damn, this squaring up. What the? Hold on, is that smoke jutsu? Wait, that's Asuma's jutsu, man. What the hell? I know they had jutsu in this game, bro. Now hold on. The crab knows something we don't, bro. The crab knows something we don't, Trav. He just used I gotta show you that shit. He just used Asuma's jutsu, bro. From outside. Smoke jutsu. Oh, he deadass just used Asuma's jutsu, bro. This is it. This audio's ass. What's this quality so bad, bro? Yo, this quality is actually dog shit. Bro, what the hell is this? Oh yeah, bro. This is what he just did. That's what he just did, bro. Just did this. Just use a smoke screen. Hold on, crab got some moves, bro. Crab got some moves, yo. Nah, he got Scorpion trying to run away, trying to run for his life, yo. That boy's scared. Put him on that genjutsu and shit. I swear, bro, the Scorpion is scared, bro. You know that genjutsu, bro. Now Scorpion just know what to smoke for you. Yeah, I think we already know the winner of this fight. That motherfucker's running away. Hold on. What's happening? Oh, they're running it back? I ain't gonna lie. Scorpion doesn't have the the size for this shit. Too small for him. His body too little. Now I better hold on. Scorpion got his Scorpion got his leg. Hold on. Crab better break his arm off. Yo, hold on. Now they're locking in. Now they're locking in. Now round 3 is goaded. The cam you can't see. Bro, I swear they are. Alright, he got the crab's leg, and then the crab got his like arms. Bro, they about to, they going at it. Oh, the crab about to kill him, bro. About to rip his head off. Oh shit, okay. Oh, crab is attacking. Yo, bro, they're wrestling, bro. This is some sumo shit. This is some sumo shit, bro. Now I think Scorpion is out of stamina. He doesn't have any more stamina, bro. He's out. I think he's trying to sting him. Dude, the crab's trying to break the Hold on. Trying to give it the stinger. That's what I'm saying, bro. He got a big ass claw, bro. Dude, the crab is trying to get rid of his stinger. Yeah, he trying to break that shit, bro. Yo, Scorpion is out cold, bro. He's not moving anymore. That boy might be dead. Hold on. Is the crab munching that shit? I think the crab is eating him. Yo, I think the crab is... He just took a bite of that shit, bro. He just took a bite out of that shit, bro. He just took a bite out of him. Look. He just ripped that shit off. He eating him. Bro. He's dead as eating him alive. That's insane. Like he has the stinger in his mouth. Look. He's literally munching his stinger, bro. He's eating him alive, bro. Now the Scorpion is done. He's done. This crab is a savage, bro. He's eating him, bro. He's munching this boy, bro. I think so. That's actually crazy. He's eating him. Oh my days. That boy cannot move. That boy's dead. He doesn't want to let him go. He doesn't want to let him go, bro. Oh, this one. I ain't see that shit. Yeah. Hold on. Oh, banger. We got this. Banger. Look at my face, my foot. Right now, they're squaring up right now. They're squaring up right now. Yeah, you're expecting it. It's sizing him up. That's the first step. You gotta size him up. I'm saying. He's like, okay, I'm in a cage. There's one big ass scorpion in front of me, looking around. They have to size it up, you know what I'm saying? That's what he's doing. Oh damn, the scorpion grabbing him. Oh nah. Oh nah, he got it from behind. Hold on. Hold on, he's standing up. Hold on. Nah, I ain't gonna. He's sneaking him. He's knocking him. Is he eating him? Oh, it was trying to eat him. Yo, he's trying to eat him. Oh no, Mance is getting cooked right now, chat. Mance is getting cooked right now. Got him in the corner and shit. Oh no, this is not fair, bro. This is not fair. This is not fair, yo. Nah, I think he's gonna lose this, but it's over for him. Oh, it's eating him too. Oh, nice. Over. It's munching him. That boy's getting munched, bro. Oh, then we got him in a chokehold. I think so. I don't know, bro. I didn't know they could fly, but I guess maybe they have wings. He's choking that boy out, bro. He's choking him out, bro. It can be, man. Nah, he got him in submission, bro. He got him in a submission, chat. Bro, I swear he do, bro. He do. That's crazy. Dude, he's folding that boy up, bro. He folding up like dirty laundry or something, bro. I swear, this is not fair, bro. This boy getting folded. He's eating him and folding him, bro. Damn, bro. Nah, this is not a fair matchup. This is not a fair matchup. He can't do shit about it. Hold on. Let's skip. Maybe he's gonna prove himself later. Like right now, maybe just. Oh damn. Oh nice, GG's. He's eating him. He's GG's. Bro, he's literally eating him. Oh, he's GG's. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh damn. That boy is too. Oh no. Oh no. He's lifting him up like it's nothing, bro. Oh no, it's GG's. Yeah, that shell defense is like crazy, bro. Oh, he's eating that boy, but that boy is dead. That boy is dead, bro. Why is there black screen? Well, in a way, they're fucking trying to get 10 minutes in, bro. In a way. Crazy. Now, but chat, if you think about it, this shit is low-key psychopathic, alright? Motherfucker he got a bunch of bugs, puts them in a cage and makes them fight. This shit is low-key psychopathic. Not gonna lie. Hey, but this is content, though. I'm not mad at it. I swear it's on the list, bro. I'm telling you. It's psychopathic, bro. Damn. He's showing us the record. Hold on, hold on. He's showing us the crab's record. Okay, that's an easy fight. That's not even a fair fight. That's not a fair fight. Then crab we already know motherfucker bit the scorpion. We saw that. We watched that already. Damn, the crab is mixing that scorpion, bro. Yo, this crab was mixing that scorpion, bro. Okay. Yeah, crab versus water bug. They're basically the same size, so this should be interesting. Okay, by now, as usual, they're just sizing each other up. Yeah. The mind games right now. Oh shit. Yo, that was good. We watching some. we watching Peak for real. I'm gonna watching Peak. Like man said, we watching Peak. These some bugs fighting, bro. Hold on, they're actually squabbling for real. They're squabbling. Nah, the water bug is too scared, bro. The water bug is too scared, chat. Damn! Yo, got that boy in the submission. Yo, you flipping him out. Yo, hold on. A reversal? A reversal. Hold on. Got him with the reversal. Hold on. Man, that crab is losing. The crab is losing, yo. That was unexpected. The crab is losing, chat. Yo, Thomas, that's a water bug. That's a water bug. Yo, the crab is losing to that shit, bro. Nah, I got the submission, bro. I'm telling you, bro. What the hell is happening? Yo, ref, free my boy. He got his legs tied up, bro. He can't move no more, bro. Yeah, I'm saying eat him out too. Pause. Bro, me neither though. I deadass thought the crab was gonna win. I deadass thought the crab was gonna win. The water bug pulled a fucking reversal. I started eating this boy. Nah, this crab is cooked. Oh, hey, it can still pull out some moves. Let's watch. I bet the machine a bit. Yo, what is that mouth, bro? That shit looking mad gross, bro. What the hell you're talking about in chat, bro? Oh, you're right. He might be trying to save his legs. You're right. I think that's what he's doing. You're right, bro. Alright, I'm gonna see you, bro. Oh, no, let's skip this. Let's skip this. Let's skip this. Yeah, I don't think. Oh, hold on. Hold on, the crab is not done yet. Oh, ref. Yeah. Ref interference. Oh, no, nothing's happening, bro. Nothing's happening. It's GG's. The crab lost this. The crab is done. The crab is out. Oh, nah. This was unexpected as hell. This was mad unexpected, chat. Not gonna lie. What about cook that boy, bro? Now the crab is done, bro. That was mad unexpected. That was a firefight, though. That was a firefight. But there's no way, like, that's not fair. That cannot be fair. Unless this motherfucker's like overpowered. This is not fair. But he has a crazy name though. His name is fucking Black Titan Bug. That's the hardest name ever, bro. He gotta live up to that name. He has to live up to that name, chat. Yeah, bro, 2 of them. Nah, man, trust. Have some faith. His name is Black Titan Bug, bro. I believe. I swear, bro. Yeah, it's aura, bro. They scared of him. Oh, they about to jump him. Oh, they about to jump him. Oh, they about to jump him, y'all. Nah, they, hold on. I swear, the bug talking this shit right now. Oh, nah. Hold on, this squabbling. Hold on, this squabbling. Hold on. Wait, hold on, is lifting the scorpion? Hold on, is it lifting the scorpion up? No, he's not. I was worried. I thought it was, but I was kind of worried. I was about to say, how is it that strong? Are they jumping? But he's pushing. He's holding him back though. He is though. Oh, he's actually squabbling with him. Yo, he's standing on business. Yo, he's actually squabbling with him. Bro, he's not scared of shit. He's actually squabbling. Now this motherfucker's stuff, bro. Oh no, they flipped him. Oh, he's back. Bro, he's actually squabbling with him. Bro, he has them pressed. He's on top of him. Yo, the scorpion panicking. Hold on, he's cooking him. Hold on, he's cooking him, bro. Hold on. He's cooking that boy. Hold on. Yo, he's breathing that nigga ass. Bro, he's actually beating their asses, bro. That's just crazy. That motherfucker trying to run away. Yeah, man, that motherfucker trying to run away, bro. Oh, he got that boy scared, bro. He's not even worried about him. Oh, he want to fight his friend. He going to fight his friend. He gonna fight the other guy's friend. He said, I already beat your boy. He said, I already beat your homeboy up. Let me get you too. He said, let me get you too. Hold on. He's squabbling, bro. Nah, bro, he deserves the title, bro. Look at him. He's flipping that, bro. Hold on. He's flipping the scorpion, bro. He's flipping the scorpion, bro. He got the scorpion folding, bro. Nah, bro, this guy is a monster, bro. Black Titan bug, that's... Hold on. Nah, stop him, bro. Stop him. Yo, someone stop this guy. He's a beast, bro. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. This shit is unfair for the fucking scorpions. This shit is unfair for the scorpions, bro. Nah, lock this guy up, bro. Lock him up, bro. This shit is unfair for the scorpions, bro. I swear, get him 2 more, bro. This shit is not fair. Get him 2 more scorpions, bro. Bro, I swear, bro. He's ripping his arm off. Yo, he's ripping his arm off. Yo, look, you can see like that, the fucking, like right there. Hold on. I'll pause it for y'all. Oh shit. I missed it. I swear, bro, he's on top of him, bro. He's on top of him again, bro. Oh, man, pause on that, pause on that. Man, pause on that. Bro, they can't do anything to this guy. He's manhandling them, bro. Bro, they can't, bro. Yo, bro, hold on. Nah, yo. He got these boys holding hands, bro. He got these boys holding hands in support, bro. He got these boys holding hands into support each other, bro. That's how bad it is, bro. That's how bad it is, bro. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. That's your student, man? That's your student, bro? You taught him? Nah, you really got them holding hands, Chad. This is insane. You was actually cooking them both. I'm actually surprised, bro. Bro, I swear, bro. Bro, what's man, shut up, bro. Man, man, stop saying random bullshit and then clearing the chat, bro. Bro, he got these guys panicking, bro. Not gonna lie, 1v2 is insane. Nah, lock this bug up. Whatever country this bug is from, I'm staying the fuck away from it, bro. Whatever country this bug is from, I'm staying the fuck away from it, bro. Cause what the hell is this? Well, I think so. Like, he's trying to help him. He's trying to help him out, trying to put him out, bro. Cause this is crazy, bro. He's like boxing the both of them, bro. Well, he got the Scorpions fighting. Now, hold on. He beat their ass so bad he got them fighting each other, bro. Bro, bro, Thomas, you just missed out on the craziest fight ever, bro. No, no, no. This, you see this little bug right here, bro? Hold on. You see this little bug right here, bro? Wait, hold on. This motherfucker is doing a 1v2, bro. He's doing a 1v2, bro. He's cooking them. I swear, bro, they're trapped in there with him, bro. They're trapped in there with him, bro. Nah, Thomas, trust me, bro. He's a monster, bro. He's been cooking these two guys, bro. Like, trust me when I'm telling you, bro. He's actually cooking these guys, bro. Hold on, they got him, though. They got him. Hold on, they got him. Hold on. They got him. They got him right now. He's on his back right now. Hold on. Bro, yeah, it made them hold hands, bro. It made the Scorpion start holding hands. That's how bad it is. Yeah, he got his jaw, bro. He can. Hold on, he's getting loose. He's getting loose. Oh no, he's getting loose. He's free. Oh, it's too late now. Oh, they fucked up. He's free. They fucked up, Chad. He's free. He's free. They fucked up. But he's stuck on his back though. Hold on. Oh, he's back. Wait. Oh, he's fucked. They fucked up now. They should have killed him right there. They had a chance. They fumbled. They had the chance and they fumbled, Chad. But look at this stuff. You see this shit? He's boxing him, bro. He's boxing him, bro. I don't know. I was not tired there, but this motherfucker just wants smoke. This is fucking Black Air Force energy, bro. He just wants smoke. He just wants smoke. Like, he doesn't want no peace. He just want to... Look, it's about to break that motherfucker's arm off, bro. Bro, this bug is a monster, bro. Bro, he's not surviving. They are surviving with him, bro. They are surviving. But I don't know if the other guy dead, bro. He's not moving right now. I don't think he's dead. He's about to break his arm off, y'all. Other guy trying to run for his life, bro. I'm telling you. Nah, this bug is a monster, bro. He's bullying these guys, bro. Oh, now he's moving on to the other one. This guy's a menace. This guy's a menace, bro. I swear, bro, this guy's a menace. Lock him up, bro. He's a menace. But he's trying to fight both of them at the same time. He's not letting them rest, bro. Lock this guy up, bro. Someone stop this dude. It's a monster. This guy's a monster. Hey, we gotta respect him though. He's living up to the name. Black Titan bug, bro. He got the name Titan for a reason, bro. He really is a Titan, bro. This is insane, bro. Nah, this is insane, bro. He just cooked 2 fucking scorpions, bro. Facts. If the draw was waste, bro, it's be over for them, bro. But you gotta think though, it's fighting a scorpion. If it was fighting like a regular ass bug, bro, it'd win like 9 times out of 10, bro. Let's keep it a bug. It'd win like 9 times out of 10 with any other bug, bro. Yeah, man. For sure, for sure. Now I want to watch this bug fight. What's it called? The mantis. I gotta watch that. Cause y'all gotta remember, the scorpion cooked the mantis. Man, I don't even know, bro. It might be. He's not moving no more. It might be. Oh shit! He killed one of them. He killed one of them. He killed one of them. Oh no, it's a menace. Bro. No, lock that bug up. I'm staying the fuck away from that bug. I'm staying the fuck away from that bug. I'm staying the fuck away from that bug. Hell nah. He killed the whole ass fucking scorpion. No.